am that crochet lady, and welcome to today's tutorial video. Today we are going to be learning how to increase and decrease. So to start, just grab your yarn. Any kind will do. I recommend this kind that I'll put up on the screen now. And just grab any hook that you have that matches your yarn. Mine today, I lost my usual green 5.25 millimeter hook. So today I only have a 6.5 millimeter hook, but that is okay. At least I'm hoping that it will be. So let's get started. To start off, you're going to want to find the end of your yarn, and usually you're going to want to take the end that comes out of the bottom of the yarn here, or on this side. And once you find it, we're going to start on our slip knot. So to do that, you'll take the yarn in our two fingers, wrap it around these two, cross it over, hold on to this part with your thumb here, put your hook under the first loop, over the second, pull through, twist, and pull it tight. And there we have our slip knot. So we're going to be needing to make a magic circle. So to do that, there are many different ways. The way I'm going to show you today is the 2-chain method. So you're going to want to take your yarn and make 2 chains, just like that. Make sure they're a little loose, room for movement. We're going to want to go through the first loop, and we're going to do a slip stitch. So to do that, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and then pull through the second loop as well. And now we have our magic circle already. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that your end piece here does not get caught up in your stitches. You want it to stay out here free and not all tangled up in this. So we're going to make 8 single crochets into this little circle here. So I'll start and I'll do the first 3 on camera. 1, 2, 3. Making sure that the end little piece here is not caught in the circle or in any of the stitches. Now I want you to do this 5 more times and come back to this video. Alright, welcome back. So now that we have our 8 chains, we'll just go ahead and count them. 1. Let me bring it a little closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to take our end, and we're going to pull it so that our circle closes. If this doesn't work for you, I just recommend redoing this until you're able to pull it. And if you can't get there, then it's okay. The first magic circles I ever made, I just didn't worry about closing them, and it turned out okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to go into our first chain, which is a little hidden, but it's here. Like that. And we're going to do a slip stitch. And that will pull our little circle together. We're going to start on increasing. So increasing, usually if you just do single crochets around the circle will get bigger and it won't like go up. So you can form a nice dinner mat, but you can't make plushies. So let's go ahead and find our first chain here, like this, and we're going to do 2 single crochets into that stitch. 1, 2. And if you think you'll have a hard time remembering where you started, go ahead and place a stitch marker where you did your slip stitch. I'm just going to count up to 8. So that's 1, 2. Let's find our next stitch right there. And remember, we're doing 2 single crochets into each stitch. That'll be 3. And as you can see, it's already getting a little volume right there. And so keep doing this until you make it to the end of your circle. We're here at the end. All of our increases have been made, and you can see that the middle of our hole has gotten a little bit stretched out. If that happens, just pull the string and it'll close right back up. And a note is that each time you add 2 stitches, your stitch count will increase. So now, instead of 8 stitches, we have 16. And it'll keep going like that up as you add your increases. Okay, so let me just pull that. We are going to build up. So no more increases. Do 1 full round of only single crochets. So just start like that and keep going around until you make it to the end. Welcome back. Now you can see that because of the increases we made, our little circle here is beginning to gain some volume. It's now a little bowl. So we are going to do this 4 more times until we have 5 built up rows, and then we are going to learn how to decrease. Alright, we're back with our extra 4 rows, and as you can see, our circle has finally started to take shape. And now we are going to decrease. If you plan on stuffing your circle, I would do it now. I do not plan on stuffing my circle. Alright, so to decrease, you're going to take your hook and put it through the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. And now you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And that is how you will make your first decrease. My general rule for decreases and increases is that for however you made your increases is the exact opposite way you'll make your decreases. So, for example, there are different ways to increase. So you could do an increase in 1 stitch, then an increase and then 1 stitch, and keep going like that. We did increases in all the stitches. So for our decrease, we are going to do decreases in all stitches. So we're going to take the next loop, pull through, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. We will do this until we make it back to our very first decrease. Alright, we're back and we have all of our decreases done. And now you can see that the only space we have left is the space where we had our magic circle. You're going to want to go around your circle, continuously decreasing until the hole slowly closes up. And mine's a little flat because I didn't put any stuffing in it, but there you go. There's your circle. We'll snip up our yarn. Oh. And tie off. And here we go. Well, that is it for today's video. I hoped that this tutorial helped you guys out a lot, and let me know which tutorials you'd like to see in the future.